Ever picked up your phone and found it hotter than usual? Overheating can slow down performance, drain your battery, and even damage your device. But why does it happen, and how can you cool it down? Phones heat up when they work harder than usual. This can happen for several reasons. 1. Too many apps running. Background apps keep your processor busy, generating heat. 2. High screen brightness. A brighter screen consumes more power, creating extra heat. 3. Gaming or video streaming. Graphics-intensive tasks push the processor to its limits. 4. Hot environment. Leaving your phone in the sun or a hot car can quickly raise its temperature. 5. Charging issues. Using an incompatible or faulty charger can also cause overheating. Overheating doesn't just make your phone uncomfortable to hold. It can cause faster battery degradation, reduced performance, potential damage to internal components, and, in extreme cases, battery swelling or even fire. Here's how to cool your phone safely. Please like this video and subscribe as we continue. Thanks for subscribing. Let's continue. Here's how to safely cool your phone from overheating. 1. Close unused apps to lighten the workload. 2. Lower screen brightness and turn off features like Bluetooth and GPS if not needed. 3. Remove the phone case as it traps heat. 4. Place the phone in a cool, shaded area, not in the fridge or freezer. Extreme cold can damage it. 5. Pause charging if the phone feels warm while plugged in. To prevent overheating, update your software regularly for better optimization. Avoid overcharging. Unplug when the battery hits 80 to 90%. Use original chargers and avoid cheap alternatives. Monitor background apps and close unnecessary ones. Your phone is like a mini computer, and like any device, it needs a break sometimes. Keep it cool and it'll perform at its best. If overheating continues, it might be time for a professional checkup. Please subscribe and stay tuned for our next video. Bye.